Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about tips for the push-ups on the mat. So many people don't love push-ups. Okay, totally get it. Or you're like, yes, push-ups, I slay at push-ups. And the problem is that you might just be like powering out and you want to use your whole body. So both groups need to meet somewhere in the Pilates middle, and we're going to talk about that. So first, let me just show you the actual way you get in and out of a Pilates push-up, and then I'll show you some tips. So you start standing up, facing your mat, heels together, toes apart. If you have wrists that are a little sensitive, then I highly recommend being on a floor in the beginning until you get out of your wrists and into your forearms. Arms are going to go up. They go wide to the side. You round forward without locking your knees, and you plant, ideally, your hands here. If you can't, because you have to bend your knees, that's fine. Look at your head. Do not look at the mat. Look through your legs. Walk out in 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are going to do 1 elbow bend, okay? And then you put your head in, you lift your ribs up, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Your arms are by your ears, and you come all the way up. And then you do it again for 2 and for 3, okay? So now let's talk about it. My elbows went back, all right? So if when you are doing this, you can only do like that much, what I'd actually rather you do is put your knees down, keep your butt with you, keep your toes tucked under if you can, and go as low as you can and come up. Why do I want you to do that? Then you can just straighten your legs and walk back in. The reason is it's muscle memory. If you're only trying to do 1 inch, then it's going to be really hard for you to tell yourself to do 2 inches because of muscle memory. And it's like, that's hard, okay? You can also call these elbow bends, by the way. That definitely helps change the tune of these, like your brain's like, oh, I just bend my elbow. It's not like push-ups, you don't like it. So that's really important. Let's also talk about how to get your whole body into this. So one thing I like to do is actually start on on your stomach, tuck those toes under, squeeze everything tight together, roll those shoulders back, push into your feet, push into your hands, and try to hover and come back down. So you're not peeling, you're gonna hover and come back down. And this action really does actually help you get strong enough to do a full push-up. So you're gonna hover, and then maybe one day you can just push all the way up. And then when you do your push-ups, you can get to that more 90-degree bend. It requires a lot of legs. So here's the thing, ladies. I know a lot of people think push-ups are easier for guys because guys are more about their upper body. Ladies are more lower body heavy. Use your legs. The more your inner thighs are working, the more your outer hips are working, the more you'll actually be able to do these strong push-ups. The other thing is the in and the out is so important. If you're swinging your hips side to side, you're not staying connected to your center. We do this whole mat exercise work to get connected to our center. If then you just walk out in your push-ups, heads up, booties out, it's kind of like, what do you do all that for? So I hope that helps. You can also do push-ups at a wall. That's going to be really, really great. And you can also do on your stomach with weights. If you check it, I have another video where you actually just do these things, where again, you're teaching your arms the shape we want it to make while making the whole body work. I know against gravity is super hard, but you got to keep it together. And when in doubt, use the entire mat practice to get you ready for it. All right. If you want help with that, join us at onlinepilatesclasses.com. Every single one of our mat classes, we do a full flow with a theme, and that theme could be connecting you to your push-ups. I hope to see you there, and I'll see you next time.